F and Sharp presents how to cut bok choy, plus how to utilize that bok choy in a stir fry with shrimp. This is what bok choy looks like whole, and I'm selecting the F and Sharp chef's knife for this task. After washing the vegetable as good as possible, go ahead and cut off the root end and separate these stalks. It's almost celery-like, but make sure to clean it because the dirt and sand and things can get caught in between. After separating the greens, cutting the stalk in half lengthwise, turning and cutting into bite-sized pieces, I'll also lay some greens on top of each other, cut lengthwise again, turn, and then cut into about equal size bite-sized pieces. As you can see, it's all chopped, prepped, and ready to go. To go along with the stir fry, just slicing up some green onions, aka scallions, some fresh garlic. We'll go ahead and get the wok or large saute pan over high heat or medium to high. Once you get that smoke point, add some oil, add in your veggies, saute until you like them tender crisp or all the way soft. Go ahead and add that fresh garlic. Remove the veggies, get your shrimp in there, add your green onions. We're gonna add some seasonings like sesame oil and soy sauce, get that all stir fried, add back in your veggies, get that all combined. Once it's heated through, plate up, top with some sesame seeds, a little additional sesame oil, and please visit fnsharp.com.